Which article of the Indian Constitution provides for the establishment of a finance commission? Answer is B. Article 280. Who was the first Chief Justice of independent India? Answer is C. Harilal J. Kanya. Which fundamental right was removed by the 44th Constitutional Amendment? Answer is A. Right to property. The Election Commission of India is a Dutch body. Answer is A. Constitutional. Which committee recommended Panchayati Raj in India? Answer is A. Balwan Rai Mehta Committee. What is the tenure of the Attorney General of India? Answer is no fixed term. Which schedule of the Constitution contains a list of official languages of India? Answer is B. 8th schedule. Which Lok Sabha speaker served the longest tenure? Answer is B. Balram Jakhar. Which amendment added the words socialist and secular to the preamble of the Indian Constitution? The 42nd Amendment. Under which article can the President of India proclaim national emergency? Answer is A. Article 352. The concept of judicial review in India is borrowed from which country? Answer is B. USA. Which High Court has the largest jurisdiction in terms of states covered? Answer is C. Guwahati High Court. Who preside over a joint session of Parliament? Answer is B. Lok Sabha Speaker. Which house of the Parliament is considered the permanent house? Answer is B. Rajya Sabha. Money bills can only be introduced in which house of the Parliament? Answer is A. Lok Sabha. What is the minimum age to become a member of the Rajya Sabha? Answer is C. 30 years. Which city is being developed as India's AI city? Answer is A. Lucknow. What is the retirement age of a Supreme Court judge in India? Answer is C. 65 years. Who was the first woman governor of an Indian state? Answer is B. Sarojini Naidu. Which committee recommended the GST structure in India? Answer is A. Kalkar Committee. Who was the first law minister of independent India? Answer is A. B. R. Ambedkar. Who was the founder of the Maurya Empire? Answer is A. Chandragupta Maurya. Who was the first Mughal emperor of India? Answer is B. Babur. The Finance Commission is constituted under Article Dash of the Constitution of India. Answer is B. 280. Ali I Ligang festival is celebrated by which tribal community? Answer is B. Kabi trade. Master Blaster is the nickname of which player? Answer is B. Sachin Tendulkar. Who is known as the magician of tabla? Answer is C. Ustad Zakir Hussain. The chairman of the GST Council in India is? Answer is A. Finance Minister. Which of the following is the first missile developed in India? Answer is B. Prithvi. Which city became the capital of India for one day? Answer is C. Allahabad.